Welcome everyone. Today we are going to learn how to read any number in English. So students, if you want to read these numbers, it look be very difficult to you to read. But once you learn few points which I am going to teach you, it will be very easy to understand for you. So let us start. First point, you must remember these formula that help you. First you remember thousands, after that million, after that billion, after that trillion. And students, you learn these formula the same order. I repeat once again: thousands, million, billion and trillion. Now we go to next step. The next step is to be able to read any number. You see this number. If I ask you to read this number, you easily read this number. This is 5, this is 4, this is 8, this is 36, this is 55, this is 10, this is 986, this is 67, this is 909, this is 850, 111, 296. So you easily read these number. And you can read very large number also, only when you remember that formula. Now I have a number, I have a big number. Can you read this number? क्या आप इस संख्या को पढ़ सकते हैं? But if we break this number, किंतु यदि हम इस नंबर को तोड़ तोड़ करके पढ़ेंगे, जैसे we can read this number easily 480, and it is 236, and it is 152, and it is 706, and it is 589. Now how we can break this large number? Students, we will put commas after every 3 digit. You see here, this is a digit, this is a digit, this is a digit, 6 is a digit, 3 is a digit, all are digit. How will we break this number? I say we will put commas after every 3 digit. So we put commas, we count the number from right to left. 0, 8, 3, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, and lastly 1, 2, 3. Now this is number ends. Here there are no digit, so we don't put any comma here. Now you see we have broken this number very easily. Now we can read this number. Students, we start right to left, and this is a first comma. This is the first comma. And put this first point. What is the first point? We have the first point 1000. We put the first point after first comma, so we have got 1000. After first comma we got 1000. After second comma we have got million. After third comma we have got billion, and after fourth comma we have got trillion. So how we read? We know the number. We know this number. This is 589. 589, and we say for this number 589, and what is this? Trillion. After that we can say 706 billion. After that we can say 152 million, and after that we can say 236,000, and after that we can say 480. तो इस प्रकार से हम बड़ी से बड़ी संख्या को इस चार्ट के माध्यम से पढ़ सकते हैं। अब हमको ये जानकारी है कि इट इज़ 589 ट्रिलियन 706 मिलियन बिलियन 152 मिलियन 236,480। तो ये बहुत आसानी से हम पढ़ सकते हैं। Students, let us we have another example. This is another example. This is the same example. It have some digit. We read this digit 74, 310, 208 and 59. This is 59, and we put the comma after every 3 digit. Okay, we put the comma after every 3 digit. 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma and 1 2. This is the last, so we don't put any comma here. And now we have a new number. After putting comma, this is 59, 208, 310 and 74. Now after first comma we have a formula. We write the first formula 1000. After second comma we put million, and after third comma we put here billion. So we do this first comma, here is first comma, so we put 1000 and we read it 310,000. After that second comma we have billion, we can say 208 million, and the last after that 3 comma we have billion, we can say 59 billion, and we read this number 59 billion 208 million 310,074. So we can read any big number very easily using this method. So how we read any large number to divided these parts. So students, I hope you understand this formula and you always learn the order: thousand, million, billion and trillion. Thank you.